Your Photos app is encountering issues on Windows 11. The first step is to access its settings. You can do this by searching for Photos in the Windows search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the App Settings option, which is typically located in the right pane. Inside the App Settings, scroll down the page until you find the option to terminate the application. Click on the Terminate button. Following that, you will see two more options: Repair and Reset. First, click on the Repair button associated with the Photos application. If repairing does not resolve the problem, proceed to click on the Reset button. This action will restore the Photos app to its default settings, which often resolves persistent issues. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.